Hello everyone. My name is Vicky. She is my engineer Amy. Welcome to our live channel. Our Tanfon solar company is top 10 solar inverter manufacturer in China. If you're interested in, please give us nice and follow us. If you have any question, please click below catalog button and contact our sales team. Okay, Amy,
Yes.
could you introduce us what kind of inverter we are producing?
Yes, hello everyone. Today we are going to show you our factory. As you see, here is our factory. We are manufacturing of the inverters, and we are German technology, China price and global service. As you see, here is the all-in-one inverter, and here, I don't know if you can see, is the off-grid inverter without battery. So why don't we let the cameras guy to show them around the factory?
Yes, that's good idea.
Go here or anywhere you want, and you can send your logo to us, and we help you to OEM your product.
This inverter will lead to battery then can turn on.
Yes, this is the off-grid inverter without battery one. It connects to the city grid, so it no need the battery.
Okay.
It means in daytime it works when the sun is on and the inverter is on. It means it totally using the solar power, not the battery power. But it must connect to the city grid.
Okay.
If your load is 5 kilowatts, solar supplies 3 kilowatts, and the rest 2 kilowatts is get from the grid.
Okay.
You can see. This is the terminal. This is the AC input, which is connected to the city grid, and the AC output is for your home appliance. At the meantime, you can connect the battery. This inverter can connect to battery or not connect to the battery. It's okay. And this is connect the PV terminal. It has the controller built in.
Oh, that's good. And this one no need the battery.
Yes.
And can sell the electricity to the grid.
This cannot sell the electricity to the grid. This is the off-grid inverter. Off-grid inverter means, and this one can without battery. So battery is very expensive.
How much power of this inverter?
This is 5 kilowatt.
5 kilowatt.
Yes.
5 kilowatt is the bigger one or the smallest one?
Yes, 5 kilowatt is the biggest one. If you want to know more about it, you can contact with our sales team.
Okay.
And this is very popular for all over the world. It's the new technology.
Okay. Have any question on the inverter? Please contact our sales team.
Yes, you can contact our sales team in below link.
Yeah. Okay. So have any kind of inverter introduced to us?
Yes. Here we want to introduce you our outdoor telecommunications inverter.
Oh, okay.
This is the case which you can put in the outdoor. It is waterproof, and you have any stone or any water, it can place outside the roof. It can place outdoor.
It is IP67 or?
Of course, it's not IP67 because IP67 it means it's very complicated. But this is the case which can open.
Okay, got it.
Okay, so this case and this inverter can put outdoor. Here.
Okay, look.
This is not complete yet. We we call it telecommunication inverter, which is 48 voltage, and it is for telecommunication. And this is the MPPT MPPT controller. Solar panel outside and connect to this MPPT inverter, MPPT controller, and it connect to the battery. The battery will be placed in here.
Okay.
Battery will be placed in here and it supplies power to this.
Okay, I have a question. I have one question about the MPPT and PWM controller. What is difference?
MPPT is with higher efficiency and PWM with lower efficiency, but the price is quite different. So it depends on your budget. And if you want to know more difference about it, you can contact with our sales team.
Okay. Have any question and interesting in controller, please contact our sales team below link.
And this is the telecommunication project. We decide the case and insight things according to customers' need. So if you have any questions or any projects, you can contact with our sales team for the customized design.
That's good.
And you see here is the breaker. We can more battery. We can put any batteries according to your design, and we can tell you our design is good or not. And you just give me your ideas, and we can decide the system according to your requirement.
Okay.
Because we have 12 years experience, we can decide the perfect system for you according to our 12-year experience.
Okay. The battery can run 24 hours?
Yes, can work 24 hours. It depends on how you use the battery because solar system is designed to 24 hours working.
Okay, decide your requirement to decide the battery.
Yes. As we want you to see, the K is totally waterproof, which you can place outdoor and no need to place under the roof or anything. No need to build a house for it.
Okay.
关不下。
不了。
And here is our another design for the all-in-one inverter, and this color is very popular for Africa market.
Okay. What inside? What material inside?
It has the controller, battery, inverter. It's just basically all in one. When you go outside, you take out it and you can work automatically. No need to connect to the battery because the battery already built inside.
Okay.
Okay, let's move on.
Wow, this orange one is what is fashion?
The orange one is our hybrid inverter.
Hybrid
Inverter means there's a controller built inside. As you know, controller is the solar panel connect to controller and controller connect to the battery.
Okay.
It controls the solar power, the current to charge the battery. It's very important. So it has the controller built inside and no need extra controller which is placed outside.
Then what is different from the battery-less inverter?
This is the off-grid inverter. Of course, it can connect to the grid and it must connect to the battery because this is the off-grid battery inverter. It must connect to battery and it can work at night. And that inverter, it cannot work at night because it has no battery.
Okay, but we can use the grid power?
Yes, we can use the grid power.
So we all call it hybrid inverter?
Hybrid is the one, yes, you can call it hybrid. Because hybrid, we all means connect, have grid backup or any controller built-in. We also call it hybrid inverter.
Okay. And this one can put on the wall?
Yes, because it's very light and it can put on wall. Our customer not place it under the ground. They put it on the wall and mount it on the wall, and it saves space and make it more more efficiency.
Okay.
Yes, and here you can see. As you can see, here Here is connect to the battery. This inverter must work with battery. Without battery, it cannot turn on automatically. It cannot work.
Okay.
And we want to show you that this inverter, there is a city grid input terminal.
Terminal.
Yes,
City grid input.
Yes, it means at night when the battery power is low, the grid power backup.
Okay. This size how much power?
This is the big case. We have two cases.
Okay.
The big case is 4 to 6 kilowatt.
4 to 6 kilowatt is this case.
Yes, it's the big case.
Okay, this case.
And the small case is 1 to 3 kilowatt.
Okay. Small case is this size.
Yes, this small case is 1 to 3 kilowatt. Or you can customize. You can, if you prefer other colors or want to put your logos on it, we support that, and you can contact our sales team for more help.
Yes, we can support the OEM service. If you any question, please click below catalog button to contact our sales team. Okay.
As you see, this design is similar, but this original one is with the controller built in. There has the solar power input terminal. The difference is the original one, orange one, have the terminal of the solar panels, and the green one without. There is already the original one already have the controller built in.
Okay, so the controller is connected to the PV combiner.
Yes, PV combiner. I think customers do not know what is PV combiner.
Yeah, could you introduce?
Yes, let's show them what is PV combiner.
Wow, it's very many holes.
Yes.
What holes is for?
It's just you see, this is one PV combiner which can put outside. This cake can be put outside and it is waterproof.
Okay, waterproof also.
Yes, as you see, here is solar input and solar input. This is the positive pole and this is the negative pole. It means you connect the solar panels to here and here, and then it one output to your battery.
Okay. This hose is connect the cable with the solar panels.
Yes, you are right. Can you show them? Okay, no. Show them the inside.
Okay, come here.
Yes, this is the inside. This is the inside of the PV combiner. As you see, here is for the thunder protection. When the thunder hit on the solar panels, the current will climb through the cables. So with this protection, it can stop the current from solar panels to the thunder current from the solar panels to the inverter. It helps to protect the inverters. And this is to combine the solar panels, and you can test each group to see which group is not working or broken or anything. So the PV combiner help to customer to test the system working good or not.
Okay, that's good. Okay.
Yes, you gotta have the big quality of this grid inverter without batteries. Can you tell me again what is this inverter?
Oh, this one is battery-less inverter, and only the battery just can turn on. And this model with biggest one is 5 kilowatt. And I would like to know this black one inverter also is inverter or controller.
Yes, this one is the 500-watt inverter. This is only inverter, and because it is small case, do not have the controller built in. It's very light because it is small inverter.
500 watt.
500 watt, yes.
Okay.
The original one is 1 to 6 kilowatt, and then this one is 5 kilowatt or 100 kilowatt. It's less than 1 kilowatt. We use this case more.
Oh, I saw here is the package for this inverter.
Yes, this package is customized. We can design the package, the carton according to your requirement. And you can send us your drawing here and we print it on the carton.
Okay.
Yes.
The package we also can, according to your require, to print your logo on it.
Yes, and
What's inside?
It had the form. It had the form here to protect the inverter because during the launch and section, the inverter might be broken if without this protection. So this form is very thin and it's very strong and help you to get through the sea.
Okay. It's very protection.
It's real protection.
Oh, what is this? This also inverter?
Yes, this is the three-phase inverter. This is
Three-phase
20 kilowatt inverter. It's three-phase. Three-phase is three line to output three-phase.
Yes. Very nice.
Three lines. Let's see the terminal. This is the city input. City input because it is three-phase, so the breaker is 3P. And this is the battery switch. Battery is negative and positive. Positive and negative. And this is the bypass input. And this is the output. Because there has a big transformer built inside, so the inverter is very big and strong and reliable.
The three-phase inverter usually for where used?
Three-phase inverter is usually for factory use or for the water pump. Because, as you know, our home appliance not so much with three-phase working. It's usually a single phase 220. And this single phase, this is three-phase, is 380.
Okay. Last time we also saw many inverter, different type inverter. There's also three-phase.
They are single phase because it is small. Small one is single phase and big one is three phase.
Okay. The three-phase smallest model is how many power?
5 kilowatt.
5 kilowatt.
Our factory, the smallest powers for the three phase is 5 kilowatt because I cannot find any smaller appliance to use three phase because usually it is big power home appliance to use the three phase.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. I saw here is wooden box is different.
Carton, yes. This wooden box is our standard package for the inverters. If you like the carton one, and we can do it, but we suggest for the big machine to use the wooden box. Do you know why?
I don't know. Because the weight.
The weight and during the launch and session, if you're using, this is the big machine. If you're using the carton, it might be broken. So we use this. This is very strong and reliable.
Okay. Before shipment, do you will test the machine?
Yes, before shipment. Before the shipment, before the inverter leave our factory, we will do the test. And here is our QC engineer working area.
Okay. How many hours before shipment? How many hours test before shipment?
we usually do it 48 aging tax, 48 hours aging tax.
Oh,
before
almost
leave
2 days.
Yes, 2 days to do the inspection.
Inspection?
Yes.
How to inspection?
This is a good question. How to inspection? And as you see, this is the solar controller, and the light means it is the solar panel is charging the battery in 12 ampere or 11 ampere.
BV is mean battery voltage.
Yes, battery voltage is 108. Yes. Now the sunshine is good. It's charging the battery. And this is the MPPT inverter. This one can show how many watts has been generated by the solar panels. 可以看到吗？
Yes.
Yeah. And this is the solar panels voltage.
I saw here this one is the battery photo is charging.
Yes, you see it's charging. The battery is almost full and it's charging. Now it's 33 degrees. It's very hot today. Now the battery is 55 wattage and the current is 0.5 ampere hour.
Okay, I have one question. I want to know this inverter is pure sine wave or multi sine wave.
This is the pure sine wave inverter. Why we say that? Because it has the big transformer built inside.
Transformer.
Yes, that has the big transformer built inside. When you see the transformer size, you can know that this is the mostly full power inverter because it is very big and of course it's heavy.
Okay. So this one is high frequency inverter or low frequency.
This is the low efficiency inverter because it has the big transformer built inside. It is the low efficiency inverter.
Okay.